Right then, happy Friday everybody. Welcome to Hib's Happy Hour. What we're going to show you this week is to make a dirty martini. Yes, filthy, dirty martini. And to make this, all you need is a good gin, and this is the one to use, premium gin. And for me, Tanqueray is the best. White vermouth, in this case we're using Noily Prat, which is really good. This is from France. Of course, olives. Now what makes this a dirty martini is that we're going to use a little bit of the brine of the olives. We're going to add 2 olives instead of 1, and then we're going to add a little bit of the brine, and that's what makes it a dirty martini. A little bit different from the dry martini. First of all, we're going to get your crushed ice, and then we're going to have 3 shots of the gin. 1, 2, 3. Or you only need a little bit of the vermouth. Line the glass with this. 3/4 of a shot. Don't really need a lot at all. Just line the glass here. We're just going to put that into there like so. So we're going to add 2 of the olives into the glass as a garnish, and then we're going to add a spoon of the brine into the mixture. Then we're going to shake your cocktail. So really important, you shake this for a long time. You ever heard of the shaken not stirred, which is a famous quote within the James Bond novels and the movies? Well, this is absolutely important. Shake it, really waters it down. So here we have the dirty martini. You filthy animal. You can really see here, it's just kind of like aerating, it's just sort of settling now. You can see oh wow, absolutely fantastic. Make sure you subscribe. Lots of other cocktails. Really hope you enjoy this show.